Hello everyone. Today we want to take a look at the latest generation of inductive sensors from Balluff. What you see here, it has a fiber optic head. The LED installed here is extremely bright and visible at 360 degrees, and that helps me in the system to accurately determine the status of my sensors. Monitor and how robust this light guide is, let's take a look at that maybe a bit unconventionally. All right, here we go.
Thanks, Marius. Yes. And I would say, let's see what the sensors can do, right?
Let's go.
See you soon. We're meeting. Everyone down there, pay attention.
Thrown superbly right in front of my feet. Perfect. Let's take a look. It is completely undamaged. It looks wonderful. And now let's see if it still works. Once prepared with voltage. It's glowing green, voltage is available, and does it switch? Of course it switches. Here you can also see the LED wonderfully. Even with the bright daylight we currently have, you can see that it switches flawlessly. I think the robustness test was quite successful.